hundreds of tourists are stranded on a Greek holiday island following flash floods after torrential rain hit the country. Desperate Brits have taken to social media to beg for help after being left with no power, no way to get food or methods of communication after severe flooding struck the small island of Skarthos, which is to the east of the Greek mainland. All residents and tourists to stay off the streets of the island's mayor has put in a request to declare a state of emergency, local media reported. It comes just hours after 2 women were rescued from a road after it became submerged in water. Footage shared by locals shows fast-moving water rushing through the town's streets, where just days ago Brits were enjoying the end of their summer holidays. Meanwhile, the adverse conditions are damaging homes and accommodation across the small island, leaving many holidaymakers stranded at flooded hotels.